We always kind of thought of ourselves as a molding company. I mean, that's our roots. That's the business that my dad started. We've evolved from that through acquisitions.
You know, you keep investing in it, you keep working at it, and it's just grown.
We have domestic manufacturing, so we're able to support those customers that need something quickly, maybe that's a little more custom. We also bring in parts and pieces from our Chilean facilities, and so we're able to control the quality, and the fact that we have both, it's really a 1-2 punch that others can't offer.
It also insulates us from some of today's supply chain challenges because we have access to and control of a lot of our resources.
Woodgrain has the flexibility to be able to react and to make sure our customers get covered. Really, that's done through our vertical integration, having domestic mills, having international mills, and having great supplier partners.
Our secret sauce is this vertical integration, this ability to take a board and to optimize that board.
Those trees are going to grow out there in the mountains, and we're closer to them than anyone else.
We're cutting the logs, we're making lumber out of the logs, and we take the lumber into our remanufacturing, our millwork operation, and we can ensure the highest quality for all our molding and millwork because we know that we controlled every step of that process along the way.
The craftsmen that build the doors are specialized and they're built custom, one by one, quality that sets it apart from anything else out in the marketplace.
The consistency, the focus, the dedication year after year, delivering on the products that we make.
We made really an important evolution in our company by getting into the distribution business, and that happened over 25 years ago.
We focus on really 5 main products. That's molding, interior doors, exterior doors, outdoor living, which includes our composite decking and rail, and our fasteners under the brand of Hooded Grip. We can serve the customer in bundles, pallets, half trucks, full containers. It's different for each and every customer that we have, and I think that approach has really served us well.
Having everything under one company or one roof really helps us deliver the best quality at the best price and on time.
I think our vertical integration strategy is really what sets us apart from our competition.
The other thing that differentiates us is the fact that we're a family business.
Multinational companies, they've told us, if I have an issue or something, I can call you or I can call your CEO and they'll pick up the phone and I know you as people. So I think there's a lot of trust and confidence that those relationships and that longevity has built over the years.
You have this continuity of leadership and you have this continuity of what the mission is.
It's always about how to improve.
It's your name on the line. You own the business, and so when you say something, you're going to deliver on the things that you say that you're going to deliver on.
We can leave with a handshake and they know that we're going to do what we say we're going to do. For over 71 years, you don't get there by luck, and it's a lot of great decisions along the way.
It's been a wonderful adventure growing this business and all of the wonderful associates that we've had that help build the company. These 6,000 associates believe in what you're doing, and that's humbling.
I think we've done a great job of really understanding what the customer need is. We just need to build on that and make sure we execute every day.